everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a little makeover on this Rattan bookshelf stand. So I went and bought some spray paint for this in the color khaki. And let's get started. So I just want to start off by saying that for this, you definitely need to get a good shake on these cans because I started getting some dark brown patches on my shelf and it ends up being a little hard to take, not to take away, but to cover up. And you'll see later what I mean. You could kind of see it here on the edges. Here on the side, you can definitely tell there's dark lines going down on the side. And that's me trying to cover up the dark spots. Wasn't easy. So these are the shelf part of the stand and they were really flaky. I had them out in the backyard for a long time, so every time you patted them, they would flake all over the place. So yeah, we're gonna get started painting those. That was me just testing out the color before I put it on so I don't end up with dark patches again. And I'm not going to show myself on camera doing second coats, but the stand definitely needs 2 coats, even though on camera it looks fine with 1 coat, but you can definitely see white peeking through. And you also want to get the color even, just because, like I said, I did end up with some dark spots because of the shaking, and yeah, you just want to make the coats as even as possible. So 2 coats is definitely a must with this. And this is the end result. I was so happy with this project. I never would have imagined that this would have turned out this way with spray paint. I thought it would have looked super fake, but it looks so good. And I will link down below who I got the idea from, because I did not think of this myself. I saw another girl on YouTube get a white rattan shelf and paint it this color as well. So I will link that down below. Thank you guys for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next video.